I've always really been interested in like the science fields, mainly life sciences, so like biology, chemistry, stuff like that.
I never really knew much about what it's like working in a lab and research, so I thought through getting an internship in a research lab or this biotech company, it'd be a really good opportunity to see what I'm more interested in.
Well, I did see that there were a bunch of ads and everything at our school, and they said it was a good opportunity to get an internship. So I thought it'd be nice to apply and try and find see if I could find anything that could give me real world experience.
We love having them here every summer. Bringing kids in over the summer, allowing them to do some independent research and just some great exposure in our lab spaces here. My name is Elizabeth Bodeker. I am the district director for the Center for Plant and Life Sciences, which is a satellite campus of St. Louis Community College, and we are housed here in the 1005 Bridge Park building. We are here for the final presentations today of the Pi kids. They have spent the summer doing some research, and they are going to present to a group on what they've done and what they learned while they were here this summer.
So our main two projects were analyzing GMOs from food that we all brought in. So I brought in a tortilla chip, and it was really cool seeing the results and how it actually worked out because it did have GMOs in it. And then we also did a DNA isolation where I swabbed my parents of their DNA in their mouth with a kit. And then we did electrophoresis and saw that if they're related to us or not. In the school environment, it's your teacher and then it's you. So you're always getting the help, you always have the support. And here we got the support too, but it was like we were working together on one problem. And if we had an issue, they'd come right and help us out. But then they'd also make us learn from our mistakes and acknowledge what we're doing.
I have a benchmark for what I want to do in life. I definitely want to work in the same type of lab as this, do this type of research and such. So it'll definitely help me figure out what exactly I want to work on.
I've loved it this summer. The people are amazing. I have a great team, and we've all gotten really close and have had a lot of fun solving problems and learning what this field is like.